Alright, so today I will be showing you guys how to install games on your R4 card for the DS, 3DS. It does not matter what R4 card you have, as long as you have a R4 card and a SD card, which I forgot to plug out of my PC because I just set this up. And this will not be a tutorial on how you set up your SD card because that is a little different. But yeah, as long as you already have all your files and you have made sure that your R4 card works, then this video will work. If you need files, then I have another video for that, but every single R4 card has individual files that they need to make it work, like firmware. It's really complicated, but yeah, so you need it already set up for this to work. So what you're gonna do, once you already have set up the R4 card and made sure that it works, then you're going to just plug out the SD card and plug it into your PC with a adapter, or do it natively if you already have a SD card slot or something like that. And here you will see already files, and I already, if you bought a R4 card from me, then you can see I already have some folders for you, and you even have some games which are all of course legally obtained. And yeah, if you don't want games, if you want to remove something, you just delete it straight from here. That will free up some storage because games do take up some storage. And yeah, and this is also where you're going to put your games, in the DS ROMs folder. If you did not buy the R4 card from me, you can just make a new folder which will be called DS ROMs or games, whatever you want to call it, right? And yeah, then you can just put aside the SD card, and then you will need to legally obtain game files. And the important thing is that your game files are extracted and the format NDS file. As you can see right there, it needs to be NDS file. It can't be .rar or 7-zip. You need to then extract it, and it needs to be .nds or just NDS file. Or it can just say even at the end of the file NDS. So what I'm gonna do is go into my folder where I have legally obtained the game files. Nope, that's not it. You know what? I don't think I have any more than I already have here. Yeah, I'm just going to open this, DS ROMs, and then yeah, you just take whatever you really want. So like, let's see. For example, if I delete a game, I will, this is my SD card, right? The USB drive, DS ROMs, I'm in here. And this is where I have my games that I downloaded legally. You just take one of these games and put it onto the SD card. It will just take a second. And yeah, just make sure that it is .nds. And yeah. There are plenty of ways to obtain them legally. You can, for example, extract them from your existing games. Google. Yeah, so that's gonna be it. Thank you for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe. Hopefully this helped you out. And yeah, goodbye.